The Namdapha flying squirrel. The Namdapha flying squirrel, Biswamoyopterus biswasi, has reappeared in the Namdapha National Park, Arunachal Pradesh, after going missing for 42 years. This is the largest protected area in the eastern Himalayas biodiversity hotspot. Last documented in 1981, this nocturnal flying squirrel is indigenous to the Changlang district and endemic to Arunachal Pradesh, specifically the Namdapha National Park. What are endemic species? Species that are only found in a single defined geographic location, such as an island, state, nation, country, or other defined zones. However, since these species are unique to a particular geographical region, they are more vulnerable to extinction. As a result, special efforts may be required to conserve them. Some major endemic species of India are Asiatic lions found in the Gir forest, lion-tailed macaque in the Western Ghats, and the Nilgiri tar found in the Nilgiri hills. About Namdapha flying squirrel. The scientific name Biswamoyopterus biswasi commemorates Biswamoy Biswas, director of Zoological Survey of India. It was the sole member in the genus Biswamoyopterus until the description of the Laotian giant flying squirrel Biswamoyopterus laoensis in 2013. It inhabits tall Mesoifera jungles, often on hill slopes in the drainage basin area of the Hing River, particularly on the western slopes of the Patkai Range in the northeastern India. Features: the Namdapha flying squirrel has reddish grizzled fur with white markings. Its crown displays a pale grey hue, while its patagium, a membrane or fold of skin between the forelimbs and the hind limbs, exhibits an orangish color, and its underparts are white. It is distinct from the red giant flying squirrel, Petaurista, another species in the same ecosystem, primarily due to the prominent tuft of hair on its ears. Conservation status: the difficulty in locating this species led to concerns that it might have been mistaken for the red giant flying squirrel, or worse, faced extinction. Its range may be restricted to a single valley, and it is threatened by poaching of animals for food within the park and possibly by habitat destruction. It is classified as critically endangered by the IUCN with no population estimate available. Under the Wildlife Protection Amendment Act 2022, it is covered under Schedule 1. It is among the 25 most wanted lost species that are the focus of Rewild's Search for Lost Species initiative.